am Adhura Raj from Access Language School. In this video, we are going to discuss some expressions that you can use when you greet someone who you meet. So the very first one is fine or not bad or not too bad. These expressions may give an idea that you are not interested in having a long conversation with them. Then next one is very well thanks. This expression is used when you want to make a formal way of greeting, and this is mostly used in situations like in restaurants or in banks. Then next one is pretty good or great. This is also used when you are so much excited and you want to make the conversation for a long time, or you are so much interested in having a conversation with them. Also, there are some times when you don't get positive replies. That means when you get negative replies from the people that you greet. So, you would be asking like, hey, how are you, or how is it going? And they would be replying like, yeah, I'm hanging in there. That means they are not in a good mood, or they are having a very bad day, or they are sick. So in return, you can reply to them like, oh, what's wrong? I hope everything is all right. There are also people who would be replying to you in a negative way like, I have been better. This shows that he is really sad or he is really sick. So these are some expressions that you can use when you greet others, when you meet them. I hope this will be useful for you. For more videos, subscribe Access Language School.